Hi there, Robin here from Expert Island, and today we're carrying on with Marine Week. We've got ourselves the SONY DSX-M55BT. Now, we just started carrying Sony, so we're going to review some of the features on it and some of the reasons why I picked this one to add to our showroom. I really like the brand. To me, it's a very reliable, dependable product. You got to make sure you take care of it just like anything else, but if you use it properly and you install it properly, it should do really, really well for you. I mean, can't go wrong putting a big brand name in your boat or quad or ATV or side-by-side or whatever you really need to put something that's going to get exposed to humidity and moisture and all that kind of stuff. So, in the box so far, what we've gotten is Sony includes a nice remote. It's not a credit card remote like some of them are just like paper thin, something that's going to break. This one here has actually got some body to it. And in the bag, it also has the mounting screws, a release key, that sort of stuff's all in here. They give you the little screw-on attachment to cover up the auxiliary port on it with a little caution. Keep your unit from getting, what does it say? Yes, don't let small children have that as a snack. Wiring harness, we'll cover that in a second. Keep going through the box. Nice manual. Down at the bottom of the box, we got warranty card, and here we go. There's the radio. So with this unit here, you get 4 times 55 watts, which is a nice key feature on it. Now, the other thing is if you start spending any less than this, you're going to lose out on a lot of features. Not necessarily sound quality, which is important, but it's there. But you're going to lose out on the what I call the bells and whistles of the feature. So, ooh, look at that. Okay, so on the front, we've got a nice plastic, so you get the little details. When you spend a little bit more money, it's all about the details. There we go. So, it does have Bluetooth on it, but it has Smart Quick Connect on it. So you bring your phone up to it, tap on the actual volume knob, and your Bluetooth is now going to be connected to this unit, which is really nice. The list of features that you can get. So if you wanted more than just something to connect Bluetooth-wise and play your songs from your phone, which is always a great way to go, this one here is going to give you a lot better tuner. So this has got car audio quality tuner, which I mean, it's got a high-def tuner. So if you have a car that you've bought in the last 10 plus years, it sounds good. And it sounds good because they use high-def digital FM broadcasting to it. So that's why it sounds so good. Radios, when you spend less than this, which is, you know, somewhere in the States at around 130 bucks, in Canada around 170 bucks, you have to check. You're probably not going to get a digital FM tuner, which is okay if you only plan on using it for just straight up Bluetooth. Now, this also has capabilities in the back. So besides the harness, which is we're going to cover with the speaker wires and all that, this one also has its XM radio. So Sirius XM radio right in the back. You also have, sorry, that's on this side here. You also have your RCA outputs, and they set it up so this way you have 2 RCA full range outputs, and then you get subwoofer outputs. So it means that inside this unit, you've got gain and crossover controls for the subwoofer. So again, nice feature to have inside a radio at that price point. Now, on the back, I have to cheat here because it's got so many features, I couldn't memorize that. So again, so Android ready, it's going to work no problem with your iPhone. 4 times 55 watts. It's got a mega bass boost. Sony likes using the word mega on their products, so mega bass. It's again works with Pandora, works with Spotify, Sirius XM ready. All that's part of the system. It also has auxiliary. It has the iPod control through the USB, which is kind of cool. And there we go, smart touch capability for your Bluetooth syncing. The menu is nice. It's a digital pixel board style menu, so it shows you everything that's going on, including the name of the song and all of that. So again, really nice. If you're spending a little bit more money and you're going, well, I want to go midway, this is definitely a really, really nice product to get. Money well spent. So standard basket setup on it. So you just basically unlock the basket or just pull the side controls here, the locking levers. That'll slide right down for you, no problem. Buttons are well spaced apart, so you can easily use it. And a couple of extra important things. Now this doesn't come with it, but if you're going to have this on an open boat or an ATV, get yourself a splash guard. This unit would then slide in here, just like so. Put the basket in first. Get your radio in there. Once that's all the way into the back, now you've got some protection for everything. The door still closes right on top of that. Remote control will work through this. Now you've made it waterproof. So there you go. And if you have one of these on your boat already, and it's been there for as long as the old radio has, replace it, because the gaskets do wear off and that sort of thing. So you don't want to have that fail on you, you know, something that costs you 15 bucks versus your entire radio. Another thing you're going to remember to buy, you got to make sure you have an antenna. Again, if your antenna is like 10, 12 years old, spend 5, 10 bucks, 15 bucks, whatever it costs. Get a new antenna, plug right into the back, and you're all set. But outside of that, I mean, we'll cover the harness. Color code standard. So we're going to have 4 speaker output. So we're going to have green, purple, gray, and white for all the speakers, right off in the back. The book's going to cover exactly where all the wires go. If you're replacing an old one, just replace one wire at a time and you'll be able to get your whole system. All the power cords are here as well. So you've got your grounding, you've got your remote, your power, all of that's all here. Again, very straightforward system to install, very straightforward system to work with. Fuse is right in the back. It's a 10 amp fuse. It's easy to see, which is good. Sony comes with a 1-year warranty. Just make sure to buy from an authorized dealer. But that's pretty much about it. A lot of people like Sony. They recognize the name brand, so that's a good thing. What I'll do is I'll put some links down below, plus all the information we get from Sony on this radio down below. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. We'll also put links on to where you can buy it in the States, make it easy for you to get, and where you can get our website, so where you can get it in Canada as well. Again, thank you very much. My name is Robin. You've been looking at the Sony DSX-M55BT. We'll have that down below too. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you have, thank you very much. Talk to you soon. Bye now.